Financial Health dashboard, you have to be logged into your account, whether that's a paid or trial account. Go over here to CFH Dashboard Navigation and go to your dashboard home. On your dashboard home, you can update your selected colleges by clicking Add or Update College. You can select or deselect the national media, and you can change whichever colleges you would like. So if I'd like to add a particular college, I can search or find that college, click the check mark, it will be added, and then you update that college, and that college will carry forward to the rest of your analyses. If you wanted to look at your college's, let's say, short-term financial health, you could select that box on this dashboard section. It's going to take you to that section of the dashboard. You can verify your colleges pulled forward and or change them. Also use these tabs to navigate to different sections. So Val's Overview is a text-based analysis of some of the data, but you could also look at college revenue, looking at net tuition revenue over time here for your selected colleges. If you don't know what that means or want to learn more, you can click the indicator info and it's going to give you additional information on that indicator. If you want to go back to the top of the page, or you can return back to your dashboard home. The last piece here is the search by indicator function. So if you wanted to know everything or all the data we have about graduation rates, you can search graduation rates. I want to find the 6-year graduation rate percent change. I have the definition here, or I could just go straight to that data point. It's going to take me to that area. Here's my 6-year graduation rate. Scroll down a little bit, 6-year graduation rate percent change for all of my selected colleges. And again, I could go back and change those colleges, go to a different section, or even go back to my dashboard home here.